Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you how to play the song Do It Again by Elevation Worship. As usual, I'm going to play the song for you first, and then at the end I'm going to explain it, break it down for you in more detail. So be sure to stick around for that, but for now let's go ahead and play through the song.
Walking around these walls, I thought by now they'd fall, but you have never failed me yet. Waiting for change to come, knowing the battle's won, for you have never failed me yet. The promise still stands, great is your faithfulness, still in your hands. This is my confidence, you've never failed me yet. I know the night won't last, your word will come to pass. My heart will sing your praise again. Jesus, you're still enough. Keep me within your love. My heart will sing your praise again. Your promise still stands, great is your faithfulness. I'm still in your hands, this is my confidence, you've never failed. Your promise still stands, great is your faithfulness. I'm still in your hands, this is my confidence, you never failed me yet. I've seen you move, you move the mountain, and I believe I see you do it again. You made a way where there was no way, and I believe I see you do it again. Your promise still stands, great is your faithfulness. I'm still in your hands, this is my confidence, you never failed me yet.
This song is very simple up until we get to the bridge, so I'm going to save the bridge for later. Everything else about the song, we're only going to be using 3 chords from the E chord family. So we have the E chord, we have the A2 chord, and we have the B suspended chord. Now I'm using this B suspended in place of the traditional way to play a B bar chord. The B suspended is much easier to play. Also, if you play the A2 instead of A major, this makes a nice easy transition from A to B. You want to make sure for the A chord and the B suspended chord that you're not playing the low E string, so you can use your thumb just to mute that low E string so it doesn't resonate while you're strumming. We're going to be using an 8-beat strum pattern for this song. We're going to have 8 down strums, and then we're going to add in an up strum after beat 8, and then we're going to repeat that pattern. So it's fairly simple, but what's very important about this pattern is that you make sure to add the emphasis at the right time. So we want to add emphasis on beat 1, 4, and 7, and that's very important. So I'm just going to hold my E chord, and I'm going to play through that strum pattern slowly for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. When we get to the bridge, everything gets thrown off. We're playing almost a completely different song. But we have what's called an E over G, or E/G, so that's going to be up here where we're playing this G sharp note with our second finger on the 4th fret of the low E string. And then we're playing with our 3rd and 4th finger, we have pressed down the D and G string also on the 4th fret. And we want to make sure that our first finger, while pressing down on the 4th fret of the E string, that it's also muting the A string. We don't want that A string to resonate, okay? So we just want this, this, and this, okay? So that is our E over G sharp. And we're only going to play that twice. We're going to strum it twice really hard, okay? And then from there, we're going to go to the A, which actually we already are there with our our 3rd and 4th finger. They're on the right string, just on the wrong fret. So from this, all we got to do is pick up our 2nd finger and slide down 2 frets. And we're there at the A2, okay? And then that second transition is a little bit more complicated. We have a B over D sharp. What we're going to do for that is, if you remember our B suspended, we have these 2 fingers pressing on the 4th fret of the, of the D and G string. But we need to press down over here, okay? That's going to be our D sharp. But we can't do that in this position, right? So we're going to take we're going to press these same 2 fingers down, but we're going to use our 1st and 2nd finger so that we can put our pinky over here on that D sharp. And then from here, we're going to transition to the E chord. Now to make things easier, you can just scratch the E over G sharp and the B over D, and you could just play the A and E back and forth. I've seen you move in mountains, and I believe I'll see you do it again. You made a way where there was no way, and I believe I'll see you do it again. All right, I hope this was helpful. If you enjoyed the lesson, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.